Hey y'all, it's Christian Styles back for another video, and this one is probably going to be the shortest video ever. It's just a basic, like a little recap of everything that I've done today. Maybe I will include more, maybe I won't, I don't know. In any case, as you can see, the DeVille is running. She's running. Alright, so I just got, let's stroll on here to the backity. Let's stroll on here to the backity DeVille. Alright, I just got the plate for the DeVille. You hear that, guys? You hear that baller gangster exhaust? This car is gangster. Okay, so anyways, it is a really nice piece. And as soon as I fix her up nice and, you know what I do, spruce her up a bit, she's gonna be even nicer. This car is everything. Now, the Suburban is here too. I got the new registration sticker for the Suburban. I got a new plate and registration for this car. She's all set. She is legit. She is street legal. However, these cornering lamps are supposed to turn on when the wheels are turned. I don't know if you can see them down there. And they're not turning on. However, I'm not sure. I'm guessing they're both out because I'm turning the wheel and that one didn't turn it on either. But in any case, guys, I probably will add some more to this video, but I'm so excited she's legal, guys. Look at these digital gauges, guys. She is purring. The car is full of stuff right now, so I can't really show you everything, but she is purring. We are at Amazon. Oh my gosh, guys. Look how many miles she has. She's got new oil, new windshield wipers. Oh, I'm so thrilled. You know, we're here at the swap shop. Back of the bug out. The DeVille is getting tinted. Yes. Is it? Alright. Swap shop. If you know, you know. Alright, here we are, guys, and she's all tinted. This is what I come to South Florida for, I swear to God. So she is all tinted, 2% all the way around. They did a great job. Can't see in this bitch at all. Can't see nothing, okay? And that's how I wanted it. So the back, they fixed the back. The tint on the back. Fixed it. It's not bubbled anymore. Okay. They fixed her. She's looking good. All I need is the chrome handles to cover the paint spots on the door handles. The new grille, headlights, the hood ornament that should be coming. I'll have to check the ETA on that. But here she is. Yes. I know it looks like a used car lot here at my mama's house, but she got to see her grandbaby, so we're visiting. But yeah, and I got to get the chrome side molding for the side and the wheel, the center caps for the wheels, and then she's basically complete. She's a roadster, guys. She's a good one. I also went and got the key fob because it only came with one key and no fob. It's supposed to come with 3 keys, the valet key and the 2 driver keys, but it didn't come with those, so I got a spare key and I got a key fob, so that's nice. Finally, it only cost me $60 each. You say hi to the peoples. Are you going back with mommy? The end of our visit. Yeah. You spent some days with me, now you spend some days with mommy. That's how it goes, half and half. Okay? Alright, you're gonna enjoy your week with mommy and then you enjoy a week with me, okay? Alright. I have really been enjoying this car, guys. I have been flying down the highway, just gotta get the radio updated and obviously the exterior points, but that's the only interior point that this car needs is just a radio upgrade. I may or may not put a TV on the ceiling for my son. I'm not sure exactly. Headliner is in perfect shape. It'd be a shame to ruin it. I don't know if it's like carpet on here. It's so soft. Like before suede, it is carpet, and there's carpet wrapped around everywhere in here, and it's really, really nice. But any case, it's tinted. It's tinted dark. The windshield's even tinted, but it's, I guess, not giving as the empty car seat. Oh, my baby's gone. But yeah, he went with his mom. But anyways, this is one hell of a ride. I can't wait to get that hood ornament up top there. But I'm driving in Fort Lauderdale. Well, this is West Palm Beach, going back to Fort Lauderdale, Broward County, and then I'll be headed on the road on back to Georgia. So it did 500 miles down here and 500 back. So clearly there's nothing wrong with the operation of this car, and I haven't revealed what I paid for the car. Maybe somewhere in this video I will release that information. I don't know why I wouldn't, but you'll understand why I'm so shocked and surprised. I have to get the pedal sensor, the pedal accelerator sensor, whatever the hell it's called, because that's what's wrong with the accelerator sticking, like even when I'm holding the brake. So I'll have to get that sensor so it stops holding it. But other than that, this is one of the best riding cars I think I've ever had. I guess once you go Cadillac, you never go back to anything else. Like, I want so many other vehicles, but nothing rides like Cadillac does. So it'll be very hard for me to get another manufacturer, even Lincoln. I was thinking about getting Lincoln, but I just don't think that I'm actually gonna, well, who knows? I always contradict myself. I always say, oh, well, I know the Lincoln Navigator drove great because back in the day I had one, but this is, I don't know. I don't even want to get another Lincoln to find out, or if I miss it or if I don't miss it, if it drives more like a truck than the Escalade does. I have a beautiful Escalade. I love it, and a platinum Escalade, and I have a beautiful DeVille. What more could I need? I have my truck, I have my SUV, and then I have the Suburban. I don't know what's gonna come, but I can't wait to show it to you guys when the time comes. Alright guys, so the best part about the DeVille's restoration, I think, is the little bits and pieces that make it feel new and exciting again. So, like I said, I had ordered the other hood ornament, and the other hood ornament just came today. I ordered it like on the 7th or the 11th, I can't remember, and it's like the 26th or 7th. So it finally came, and this is what it looks like, guys. I am so excited. Oh my god, look at that. Okay, now the new grill hasn't come yet, so it's still this ugly, nasty green grill, but we're gonna change that soon. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous. Look how gorgeous. Oh my gosh. So little bits and pieces are gonna happen. Now the part of the new grill is not gonna be chrome, it's gonna be white. So I'm gonna get some touch-up paint to fix that and to obviously paint the rest of the grill the correct body color. Unless the white doesn't stand out as much, because if it doesn't, then I'll just get a little pint of touch-up paint for those pieces there. But oh my god, it is solid. It's on there like gangbusters, and it's so pretty. And look how vibrant the Cadillac colors are. Now, I don't know if I'm going to just leave this being a chrome grille or if I'm going to put the other emblem, the 2015 emblem, in the middle there. Not exactly sure what I'm going to do. I don't think I'm going to do that because I think it might be overkill to have two emblems in the front. I don't know, but I'm definitely going to replace the back. The windows obviously have been tinted. The wheels and tires need to be taken care of, probably changed, just haven't gotten to that point yet. The door handle covers should be coming like today in the mail, and then I'll cover the door handles because all of my cars have chrome door handles. As you can see, the Suburban, every car of mine has chrome door handles, so that's a must. And this one just looks so old and faded, so it's time for that to come off and be revised. I think I'm going to put the 2015 back here because that one just looks so small, and it just looks, I don't know, it just looks out of place. It's a very classy rear end, but I feel like that with the new colors, it's bright, and I think it'll just tie it all in, tie it in better, let's put it that way. And then, you know, the covers are to fix these pieces here that are just so worn out and just, you know, where the paint has worn off. I could get touch-up paint to fix that, but I was going to put a cover over it anyway, so what difference does that make? So, but yeah, even from the back, so I can proudly see that hood ornament steering the car, and I'll always know if I'm straight in the lines because the hood ornament is back, baby. Yes. Okay, so the final touches have come. As you can see, the chrome door handles are on. So chrome here. Okay, it's matching. Looks great. The wheels need to be cleaned and revamped, and I'm missing my chrome strip along the door. But however, that's basically the last piece because the door handles are there now. And it's not going to look complete until the chrome belt line is there, which will be ordered soon. And then restoration is basically complete. Then as far as the physical, the mechanical is next, the things that are wrong with it. As you can see, the new hood ornament is up front. Yeah, my plate, may she rest in peace. Okay, so she's good for now. Just wanted to make sure that I got this done. Alright, so I don't know when I'm going to purchase that chrome piece, the belt line piece. Not sure when, but it'll be sometime in the near future. It's already the 27th, August 27th, and I started this video like 20 days ago. So whenever that gets here, it'll be the last piece for the exterior other than the hubcaps, but I'm not sure if I'm going to keep these rims or not. So stay tuned on that. But that'll be like way later when I do the final review or the actual car tour, because I have yet to do it. So, you know, the car tours are the big video when I'm all done up and glam and it's the final product. Alright guys, so I just decided that I'm just gonna end the DeVille video right here because I'm pretty sure it's long enough and there's only one exterior piece left to do, which I'll do later, and then you guys will be able to probably figure out what I added, even though I already said what I'm going to add, by the time the full walk around video happens and the car tour. So that pretty much does it for this one, guys. If you guys like the video, please be sure to hit the like button, share, subscribe, comment down below, all that fun stuff, and stay perfectly imperfect, and I'll see you guys in the next one, which will be very, very soon. You say bye? He's like, ew.